It's official, guys. Donald Trump has won. I'm not a financial advisor. Bitcoin, a new all-time high. That is right, guys. Donald Trump is crushing it right now in the election. And now Bitcoin is at $74,000. Some places have had it ticking even up to $75,000. We'll have to see where the final exchange numbers are going to go out right now. But things are spiking. And you know this is because, obviously, Donald Trump is going to win. Now, the other thing I would say is be careful because these are opportunities. Look, right now, it looks like Donald Trump's going to win. And if you go back to the last election, we all went to bed and we were thinking Donald Trump was going to win, and we all woke up and it was different. It was chaos, and I don't think we're going to have chaos this time. But what I will tell you is, the money looks for opportunities to pump and dump, and they look for opportunities to get you. I said at 71.5, it felt very good to go long on Bitcoin, and then all of a sudden, what happened? Right after that, I swear, you go look at my tweet. Right after that, started running, and I think that when you really consider the way that market manipulators work, one thing, I'm trying to get rid of the shadow, but whatever, I digress. But one of the ways that they do these things is they get you thinking one way and then they go the other way, okay? So the thing they want you to think now is Donald Trump is going to win, and it seems like he is going to win. Bitcoin's above 74,000. And of course, this is something that I predicted. If you guys remember, for years and years, I said that Donald Trump, or, well, I didn't say for years and years, but I always said, for years and years, I did say that Bitcoin would become an issue in the election. And a few years ago, when I was on the Rumble channel of Donald Trump Jr. show, I told him, I said, look, you got to get your dad into Bitcoin because that's the independent vote. That's the sovereign vote. That is the free thinker vote. It's the people that the politicians need to get to vote for them to win, because the independents determine the election. Your Republicans are always going to vote Republican. Your Democrats are always going to vote Democratic. You need to have those people in the middle that determine the elections. And it's the same model they use in politics. I mean, people like Joe Manchin votes against the Democratic Party he's part of all the time. You think it's because he really understands his constituents. No, that's not why. They do it to control. But I digress. We don't want to talk about that. We want to talk about fun, yippee, yeah, okay? I think we are looking at Bitcoin at all-time highs, and we've really got to look at where this could go from here. I do think that we are going to be heading, we're going to stay above this. I think we're going to come down. We're going to use this as support. Not sure when. We could rip straight up to 85K. It is possible. I'm not going to rule it out. We've seen a $10,000, $12,000 candle before. I think it's possible, but I think a lot of this was expected and baked in. So because of that, I think really, if you're not in a long right now, okay, I think you really need to be in a watch and wait zone. But a lot of you guys obviously are in spot Bitcoin, which means just, you have the asset at the value it is, and you've seen your value go up, and you've seen there a lot of opportunities to take profits. I hope you're taking them because you're seeing them right now. These are the times to take profits. If you got in Bitcoin when it was 50 and it's at 75, it's okay to take some profits, but don't take them all right now. This is the beginning of the bull run, guys. You don't want to sell out right now completely. You want to stay in. You want to, if you take profits, dollar cost average it back in when it drops, okay? Do not ever be getting completely out of the market. And what great timing. We got the BitBoy Bootcamp coming up soon. When we got that going on, you guys are going to get the full boot camp, the full X Academy. You guys are going to get where you need to be when it comes to crypto. So if you're new to crypto, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. It's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.